22, page 90. The sounds ch and j. Okay. These sounds are made the same way, except one of them is unvoiced and one of them is voiced. So let's talk about the unvoiced sound, ch. Usually it's represented by the letter CH. And basically you're pushing air over the center of the tongue, and then you're stopping the air with the end of your tongue, okay? You're pushing air out and then you're stopping it, okay? And it's almost like you're making the T sound, but this sound is made a little bit further back, not at the tip of the tongue, but just slightly further back. It's still in the front of the tongue, okay? Let's try that. Okay, you have to stop the air, all right? Let's try some words. Chase, chance, reaching, lunch, lunches, reached, okay? Sometimes, this is a usage rule, when the T is followed by a U sound, it can make the ch, okay? Look on page 91, as in the word situation. It's not situation, it's situation, because the T follows the U sound. Next word, ritual, factual. This next word, I kind of disagree with it. It's congratulations. I don't really say congratulations, and I don't hear that as much. I hear congratulations, more with the other sound, j. Okay. Then you might see words like let you. Well, we don't really say let you. We say let you. Okay. I'll let you go with us. Don't you? Don't you want to visit? Won't you? Won't you stay? Okay. Let's read a couple of sentences. The teacher chose Chinese checkers for the children. Charles and Chuck lunched on cheese and chips. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and talk about the j sound. All right, this sound is made the same way as the ch, except that j is voiced, okay? So ch, but add voice, j, j. It's kind of a hard sound. Let's try some words. Jam, just, ajar, major, germ, gym, agency, region, huge. And then sometimes you'll see DGE for j, bridge, judged, edges, soldier. Okay, and similar to the rule that we had with T followed by U, D followed by U, that is the U sound, okay, makes the j sound. For example, in the word education, it's not education, it's education. Graduate, individual, did you? We don't usually say did you, it's did you. Would you? Could you? Had you? All right, let's say a couple sentences. I wanted you to come to my graduation. That's normally how we would say it. I wanted you. Here's another one. Jim's a junior majoring in education. Would you please register at the gym? Jill in her jeans jumped into her Jeep. Janice, did you see the soldier?